In the production of insulation boards, stainless steel plates, used as intermediate carriers, easily accumulate stubborn stains and contaminants. The CXCL RR1300 wet metal sanding machine, paired with the QX1300 cleaning and drying system. With precision wet grinding, it removes rust, stains, and residue without overheating or warping your plates. After sanding, the plates move seamlessly to the QX1300 cleaning and drying system, which removes all leftover particles and moisture both sides in one pass. This isn't just cleaning, it's restoring value. By extending the life of your stainless steel plates, the RR1300 cuts waste, reduces material costs, and keeps your production running smoothly.